One of the best ways to see the Eagle River chain is by boat, and there are 15 bars and restaurants to visit on the chain. We'll start at the far west side of the chain where there's 4 establishments. There's the Honey Bear, there's Club de Noyer, there's the Mud Creek Saloon, and there's Chef Renee's at the Eagle River Inn. The Honey Bear has been around for years. It's known for having a legendary fish fry. Just up the river is the Club de Noyer. Mark and Cheryl will welcome you. They're known to have excellent pizza. Just under the bridge is the Mud Creek Saloon. Dave and Mary Conser bought this years ago. Their daughter Maddie almost won The Voice on NBC. They have live music all the time at the saloon. And they have plenty of outdoor seating. Back under the bridge, you'll find Chef Renee's at the Eagle River Inn. Rene Vizetta is a local legendary chef. His food and his dinners are outstanding. It's about a 2-mile boat ride to downtown Eagle River. You'll find a city pier, walking distance to a number of other shops, restaurants, and taverns, and there's restrooms too. Eddie B's White Spruce Inn is right across from the city pier. White Spruce is known for its terrific ribs. It is also the oldest building in Eagle River. A short boat ride brings you to Duck Lake, where you'll find the Kickback Grill, Pirates Hideaway, Sweetwater Spirits, and Boondockers. Kickback Grill used to be the Hiawatha. Has a great fish fry, and it has a very good menu too. Lots of outdoor seating and a huge bar. Next door you'll find the Pirates Hideaway. It has a tiki bar, has wood-fired pizza, has ice cream too. Your pirate captain Steve and Steve will welcome you aboard the pirate ship. Sweetwater Spirits is right next door. It has great fried chicken and excellent fish fry too. It's a sports bar theme and it has outdoor seating. Just up the shore is Boondockers. It's at the Wild Eagle Lodge. Got plenty of parking, and they have nightly specials, and they have a very eclectic menu. Now we navigate through Lynx and Otter Lakes on our way to Eagle Lake. The mouth of the thoroughfare in Eagle Lake is Jensen's Eagle Lake Resort. It's kind of an old world place, but a great place for a drink, and it has some frozen specialties there too. Just across the lake is Eagle Waters Resort. It's a classic Northwoods resort with a classic supper club feel, an outstanding bar, and the food is excellent. At the entrance to Voyager Lake from Eagle Lake, you'll find the Lake Forest Golf Course. It's a 9-hole course. There's another 18-hole Eagle River Golf Course in town that's not navigable by boat, but the Lake Forest Golf Course is. It's known for its Sunday deck party. And just across the way is the Chanticleer Inn. Has an outstanding burger bar on the water, and now the supper club is reopened. The food there is excellent. Now we go through Voyager Lake, underneath the 70 bridge, past Boat Sport Marina, and off to the Marina Bar. The Marina Bar is part of the old Everett Resort, one of the first resorts in the Northwoods. It's a terrific place to catch the sunset. As we keep traveling on Catfish Lake, we'll go past Indian Point, we'll go past Deer Point on our way to our last stop, and that's at the Braywood. Braywood is very, very casual. Sand beach, outdoor seating. It does have some indoor seating too. Great burgers, great food. Just a great way to end a day. And there's a boat launch next door. I hope you enjoyed our brief tour of the Eagle River chain bars and restaurants. We hope to see you on the water.